Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel AT&T Wireless plan step by step clearly. To cancel your AT&T Wireless plan, start by gathering your account information. Visit the official AT&T website or use the My AT&T app. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account section. Look for the option that says Manage My Plan or similar. Select the plan you wish to cancel from the list provided. Before proceeding, check for any contract obligations or fees associated with early cancellation. If applicable, review the terms and conditions carefully. To confirm your cancellation, you may need to contact customer service directly. Find the Contact Us section on the website or the app. Choose a method to reach customer service, such as chat or phone call. Call the customer service number or initiate a chat with a representative. Explain that you would like to cancel your wireless plan. Follow any additional verification steps as requested by the representative. Ask for a confirmation email or reference number for your cancellation. Make sure to return any equipment or devices if required by AT&T. Check your final bill for any remaining charges or credits after cancellation. Keep all documentation related to your cancellation for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.